kangahe ni yakane bakise iringi
the security of the nation
atumutekano w'igihugu
the men and women who serve
ushingiye ku bagore n'abagabo
the Pentagon
bakorera mu nkingi 5 za Pentagon urabona Pentagon urabona ino nyubako yabo ukuntu igize ikozwemo n'intuze 5 manuka hepfo ingune 5 nyine ati ziri ari ingisi 5 zigize Pentagon abagore n'abagabo bayikoramo nibo umutekano w'igihugu ushingiyeho
before any military action can be taken anywhere in the world
ati mbere ko gihe gikorwa cya gisirikare gikorwa hari hose ku isi
the mission must be planned and approved in the outer and most important ring
ati misi igomba kubanza igategurwa kandi kanemerezwa hehe mu gice cy'ingenzi mu yigize Pentagon
the
E-ring umve nuko dutangiye
there you go honey
akira hani nakana we meze bite ni papa nakana na mama
good day dear
ukiri umunsi mwiza dia turi hehe ndagira gukurikira filime irya mwana wanje filime tuyitangiriye hehe rero ndagira gukurikira filime witonze mugabo byarabyutse mu gitondo yerekeze mu kazi mugabo yaje hano masaya mu gitondo agace turimo je nago nkazi turi Burundi muri Afrika mayiro 200 uvuye mu majyepfo y'u Rwanda uvuye mu majyepfo y'u Rwanda niho turi Burundi mama we mubonye u Rwanda uretse uzurebe ngo harashya gusa mbabwira iyi filime yakinwe kera ndetse biri buvugirwemo agari nako ndaza kubabwira mugabo ari kumanuka harabo yagonze turi Burundi mbare bavandimwe babare n'abarundi bakura y'imbunda gwe tuke imbunda ndakwinyize muvandi ndagusabye n'ukuri ndishura ibyo nangisha tugende mwana arabagonze gwa mukinga wico ikimodoka cikoreye ibintu n'abarundi tuza abarundi bari Burundi mudukurikiye nonaha cyane cyane aho mfite amashami aho harimo Kanyosha hari imbere y'Interbank mafite ishami mu bikarito bataye bagize gutya hari icyo bibagiye gutwara arabagonze hari igikarito kimwe gitakaye turi Burundi ahandi mfite ishami Burundi ni Ngozi mu isoko rikuru rya Ngozi umuryango wa 8 abantu bari Ngozi ndabasuhuje umugabo yarebye abantu agonze hari kimwe mu gikarito bari batwaye mu modoka gitakaye hano icyo gikarito kirimo iki uretse uzurengo filime iraryoha kureba mu bikarito biri hano babona hatarimo zahabu nkaba ntsindiye imari harimo imipanga agonze imodoka y'abantu bikoreye imipanga iyi mipanga bayijyanye hehe tugare kuri ambasade y'u Burundi Bujumbura hari telefone bakiriye bamaze kwakira telefone yese yandika message ahita yohereza ubutumwa muri ambasade y'Amerika iri Bujumbura BJ ku kiyeri cyabo turabafana niki message yisiza hehe hakunino message yakiriye ninde message ivuye kuri ambasade y'Amerika iri Burundi Pius
where are my numbers on the intel contingent
becha dufite bihagaciro
getting the bureaucratic runaround on that sir
well that happens from time to time when you're working for the Joint Chiefs of Staff but you adapt
yes sir
sasa ingwere kubasomera bakeneye budget baragira ngo nyine budget yabo bakoresha barebe ukuntu yagarukamo
plausible case
iki ni cyumweru cyo kubanza gutanga raporo ya budget ya mbere ko bayikoresheje kugira ngo duhabwe indi budget ni budget ya Pentagon ibyo barimo.
Where are we on Pakistan, Colonel?
Well, you know how tricky it is putting boots on the ground of a...
Muri Pakistan byifashe gute gahunda yaho. Nyine ubwo ni budget bagomba gupanga ibizigomba bishe bazakoresha. Muri Pakistan abasirikare ba Amerika bose bari.
There are some thorny legal issues, sir. I'm going to try to push that through the General Counsel's office.
Don't try, Major. Do. The fiscal health of this office depends on it.
Sir.
Umva ubuzima bwiza n'imibereho myiza y'abasirikare bacu bari hose bishingiye ku buryo twateguyemo iyo ngingo y'imari hano. Uburyo bayihawemo.
All due respect.
Ntago njya nkunda abantu batangiza ijambo ngo mu byubahiro byawe ugiye kumbeshya umuntu atangira ngo mu byubahiro byawe ngo nkwe atayo magambo ntago njya nyemera akurikiraho.
Stick around, Colonel.
Abirukana.
A good operative in the field is one thing, but if Tiznuski cannot maneuver past the political landmine,
uyu mukinga kubera umatari ku kibuga no kubera umatari hano ntago bisobanuye ko agomba kwitwara ko yiboniye.
Understand the sport yet?
he moves.
Ntago arabasha gusobanukirwa gahunda yose tugenderaho hano ukuntu imeze. Umusore ni mushya.
Crash course, sir.
Well, speed it up.
Yes, sir.
Katorori. Ubyihutishe. Turi hano.
Hate to throw you from the frying pan into the fire, but
Not give
sasi ingoyo.
now, Pierre.
Ari byarazanye oye ibyo bintu buretse kubimpa bamaye akazi ko gukurikirana bije.
We've got seals.
Kimeze musasu yarazanye gahunda igaragaza ko i Burundi hari imipanga myinshi babonye. birashoboka ko i Burundi haba hagiye kuba jenoside uyikanzemo yarebye muri raporo bakoresheje imipanga
that a Hutu put a gun to his head made an ethnic slur.
yagonze imodoka ngo y'abantu bari bafite ngo imipanga b'abarundi.
He lost 2 daughters back in 1994, didn't want to sit back.
bimeze kimwe nk'ibyabaye mu Rwanda mu 1994.
Past performance predicts future behavior.
uwo mugabo wanditse wamagaye kuri ambasade bakohereza urwandiko
Machetes and ended 100 days later with 800,000 Tutsis butchered.
ati iyo mipanga uri kuvuga ngo nta kintu yakora ntabwo yakora jenoside ngo mu Rwanda niyo yakoze jenoside abasaga 800,000 barapfa. ariko bano abanyamerika nakubwiye ngo ntabwo baba babizi twe kuko tuzi ko barenga ahubwo miliyoni.
Look, Sergeant, I'd like to help you. I really would, but
ngo n'ubwoko bw'abahutu n'ubw'abatutsi i Burundi ndakeka ko ashobora kongera kuba jenoside.
fiscal health of this office.
Sir, would you be talking about the fiscal health of this office if these people were white?
atese ko tubabwira ngo bagiye kuba jenoside ukavuga ngo mugiye gukurikirana bije ya Pentagon bano bantu bagiye gukorera na jenoside hagati yabo iyo baba ari abazungu mwari guceceka mukicara gutya agira ngo kurikire filime umukobwa nibyo ari kubabwira bari kubabwira ati ashobora kuba jenoside i Burundi abandi ngo twifitiye ngo bije ngo kureba ukuntu ngo twakoramo abasirikare bacu bega ntabwo babyitayeho. ubundi ibindi birego byose byakiraga no babikoraga bihuse ariko duri kirego cy'i Burundi abaginga menye batanadukunda rega. niyo mpamvu mukwiye kuba umuntu umwe ubundi muba mupfa ibiki ibintu by'amoko muba mupfa n'ibiki urabona babitayeho mwabaye umuntu umwe nk'uko bahora babibabwira tukirira umufungo tugasaza Afurika hagahira rimwe. nuko dutangiye episode ya 4 bimeze bite rero ibyo bintu biraza kugenda bigarukamo kenshi by'amoko abahutu abatutsi ibyo twe twarabirenze twabiciye amazi nta nubwo bikidufasheho ubwo nyine turabisobanura uko biri twimanukira twabaye umuntu umwe noneho okay. dushimira n'ubuyobozi bwacu bwabigizemo uruhare ubwo noneho nasobanura sibyo biga mwarajijutse barakwereka hano ku kazi hahiye bimereye neza bari guserebura kandi bakiriye ikirego ko i Burundi yashobora kuba jenoside. mwana ibintu uraza kubikunda mwana tureke no kureba match rebe abagabo wagira ngo nta kibazo cyabaye kwisereburira
money. Now, Gaza's under a lot of political pressure to get special ops as much love as possible. I get it, sir.
No cash, no mission, son.
nabonye General Arigazi rwose afite pressure nyinshi yo kugira ngo iyi budget ishyirwe mu bikorwa bivuze ngo nta mafaranga nta mission n'ubundi yaba.
Done telling you. The only thing you should be worrying about is making sure Al-Ghazi feels that.
atese pesi igeza kubwira ibishaka kwa byabera i Burundi uyu akabwira ati ibyo ngibyo ubiretse banza ukemura ikibazo cya General Arigazi.
If it's going to get funded. So break out that Polish charm, you know? Keep your eye on the ball. Make it happen.
umve bibere kuri gahunda zabo ntago bitaye kuri ibyo bintu by'i Burundi ngo jenoside ishobora kubayo kumbe turi Burundi hari wazanye umupanga bada dore umupanga uyu mugabo ngo yabaye no mu Rwanda ngo yahaburiye abana be 294
The machetes.
ntago tubizi neza.
I promise you, we'll leave here tomorrow.
I can't go through it again.
ndagusezeranye sho tuzavana duhunge
The Americans will.
bino sinakongera kubicamo abanyamerika bari buze kuza ubushize se bigeze badutabara bano babaga mu Rwanda umugore avuga ati abanyamerika wizeye wahamagaye n'ubushize ntibigeze badutabara aravuga ubwo babaga mu Rwanda n'umugabo ngo yabaga mu Rwanda.
Tell me it was burned.
dore abanyamerika ari kuvuga ngo bari buze kubatabara yewe dore ibyo bibereyemo
Tell me when I
bibereye mu bibazo byabo wowe urumva ko abantu bazaza kwita ku bibazo byawe bose ibyabo babirangije bifite ibibazo byabo nabo.
close enough to
dore amatike yo kujya kureba match muzehe wakitaye ku bibazo muzaniye amatike none se kimenya aribo bari mwizamuye ibyo bibazo bibereyemo.
I mean, whatever it is, I'm sure it's more important than helping your commanding officer sort through classified documents.
hano bari kureba amadokima amwe namwe atagifite akamaro bakaba bajya kuyatwika n'ipapuro bidafite agaciro. mbega ni umunsi bafata wo kuruhuka muri ofisi bakareba amadosiye asa nk'ayarangiye ibirego byarangiye mbega ni umunsi wo gusa nk'abakora isuku muri biro bara nk'ikiruhuko ubundi bakajya kureba match abanywa byeri bakazinywa abanywa urwunge bakarunywa abanywa mburwa bakayinywa.
On this Pakistan action, and since Al-Ghazi likes you, I figured.
Major, you obviously didn't know
umva Arigazi yambwiye ngo nsinyire hakurino.
people that were here before you.
I did. They just have more patience than I do.
Zanan
Terrorists don't give a damn that it's budget review week, Sam.
undi nawe arinjira.
Does anyone knock?
I bought you a square in the Army-Navy football pool. If Navy wins 3...
umva uyu munsi muri ko turi buze kujya kureba football ariko n'abasirikare bakeneye ngo ni Army ni igisirikare gisanzwe
JT.
n'abarwanira ku mazi
His new aide.
Yes, sir.
bayita Aaron JT.
That man. You need anything, let me help you.
I'll take
icyo uzakera uzambwire ngufashe.
Good deal.
Sawa. Uje yitwa Charity.
And why does charm work for that guy and not for me?
Who says it works for either of you?
Uriya musore ariko kuki ubona ari bogari njye n'ubone ndi bogari n'utugamba.
Thin ice, Major. Ashley?
So who was that?
Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense.
Ikibazo cy'i Burundi ntago bakizi nta n'ukitayo.
Guy? Where did they come up with these titles?
Well, his title could be Commander-in-Chief down the road. Rumor has it he's gunning for an Ohio congressional seat in 08.
Tugomba kubanza tugahamagara Commander-in-Chief nawe akabanza akanyuzamo amaso muri ya dosiye mbega bari kuri gahunda yo kureba kuntu bije izakora umwaka utaha byifashe iyo bazakenera iya mbere bakayijustify uko yakoreshejwe hakunino ntaruwaje bose biri mu byabo.
Captain Banks.
Uyerano ro yabonye Captain Banks
At the Africa desk in J2 Intelligence, don't you, ma'am?
ajya sokora kubiki birego byerekeranye na Afurika yego.
Here's J3.
Wabonye J2 Intelligence amakuru batanze.
I was wondering if you picked up any intel out of Burundi.
Wumvisha amakuru yerekeranye n'ibiri kubera i Burundi ko ashobora kuba genocide.
Wondering when somebody was going to ask about Burundi.
Nibazaga igihe hari bugira umuntu mbaza kubwiyo mipanga babonye i Burundi. Nabonaga mwese mutabye. Dori Burundi, dori Burundi. Hahi. Nataka nyinyi. Nabashi. Burundi. I Burundi.
Take this idiot. Find the place and the Tutsi who has it, and bring them both back here.
Sasu yaravuze ati ndashaka igikarito cyuzuye imipanga yanjye nabuze. Niyo mpamvu arasha umuntu. Bari abagabo nibo babiri inyuma. Hari igikarito ashaka cyuzuye imipanga. Mugende mugishake mu kiboni. Yeah. Uyari mu kabari.
I suffer from amnesia. Do I come here?
Bite Shushu B. Shushu B ari hano ni wa musheri we mwita Angie.
He's down at Kabul.
Yeah.
Sorry I'm late.
You're forgiven, I guess.
Well, you look like you need a drink.
Honey, I had a drink about a half hour ago.
And you look like I need a drink.
Ati nubwo uvuga ngo wanyweye ndabona ahubwo umeze nka muntu uvuga ko akeneye icyo kunywa. Inyotira gusa.
Sure date here.
Well, let me see. I got chewed out by the Assistant Secretary of Defense for Special Ops, stonewalled by the General Counsel's Office, accused of racism by my NCO.
Yatangiye kumuganiriza ibyiriwe ku kazi no munsi yabari mu bintu byenda kumera nk'ari amasuku amadosiye amwe asohorwa ari nako bategura bije y'umwaka utambege umwaka umenya ubushize. Yeah. Yifatira icupa ry'urwunge.
What's wrong?
Ni kibazo cy'ishushu B.
Did a station cable from Burundi come into the CIA today?
Ese na makuru ari kubera i Burundi muri CIA mwakiriye umugore akora muri CIA? Sinzi.
I'm sorry, Ange. I gotta go back to work.
Urabizi? Mbare ko mfite gusubira ku kazi. Nimba CIA itari kwita ku bibazo by'i Burundi ngerekanye kubyitaho. Uyu musore ntajya atinda mu kabari. Azi ko afite akazi. Azi ko abantu bashobora gupfa. Arahunga ari mu mayoga. Yarumvisha ati nimba CIA ikirego cy'i Burundi itagifite wenda gutimbura nukora kuri sheri wanjye kitagicaho. No muntu katururi. Musore yisagaruka mu kazi. Hakuno hari utaryana. Pius.
Don't suppose you found anything new on Burundi.
Bivuze ngo uracyari guperereza ku byerekeranye n'ibiri kubera i Burundi. Umve.
They call him Papa. General Stephen Ndeke killed.
Wabwita Stephen Ndeke. Cyase Ndekezi. Ati mu Rwanda yishe abatutsi basaga ibihumbi akoresheje imipanga. Ahungira muri Kongo.
Nice to see him taking interest in people.
Anibwo yaje kwava garuka i Burundi yongera kugumura abantu ngo bereko bakutongera gukora genocide ni Burundi.
They've taken refuge in Burundi and they're fanatically.
Izi ni impunzi ziburi i Burundi.
Now why hasn't the Burundian army just gone in and grabbed them?
None se abasirikare b'i Burundi bari kubikora hiki?
Armed and ruthless. It's all very tribal, Major, going back 600 years, but
ahari nukubera zino nyeshyamba zifite intwaro ziyambaye cyane.
The Belgians felt the Tutsis were
ati byose byatangiye ubwo ababirigi bakolonizaga u Rwanda mu 1916.
the best everything.
So after
ati icyo gihe byatangiye ngo abatutsi bakorana bya hafi n'ababirigi babitaho cyane ngo bituma ubundi bwoko bw'abahutu ngo burakara. Kuri yatangiye kubisobanura iyo nguyu.
Gas chambers just one.
Ariko wabona atari nabyo nago bano baginga ibyo bakinnye muri filime tuba tugomba kubyitaho.
1 minute they're working together.
Babashaka no kuduteranya.
Together the next.
They're cutting them down with machetes.
Ati ntabwo nimvisha ko genocide yabikoreshejwe imipanga gusa. Piga abantu bakabagana mpaka rumva bidashoboka. Yamweretse ifoto.
My parents took my brothers and me to Africa.
icyenda nibwo ababyeyi banjye banjyanye mu Rwanda.
They savored that trip their entire lives.
Nirwo rugendo rwiza nabo nagize ku buzima bwanjye.
Trees including Rwanda.
Mu Rwanda ni ahantu heza cyane.
It's the greatest experience of my entire life.
Ntago nakwibagirwa ibintu nahabonye. Mbega ni experience y'igihe irenze nagize mu buzima bwanjye ubwo nasuraga u Rwanda. Sasa kumva ko habaye genocide byaramubabaje kuko u Rwanda ni rwiza.
Podcasts.
Still working on that, sir. But we did.
Ati none se kumbwiye ko bakoresha amaradiyo nanone bategura genocide mu Rwanda cyangwa se bakwirakwiriza propaganda i Burundi. Iyo propaganda bari bayitangira.
Opportunity to go for
Yaje kumwereka hano.
Major, an NCO only go so far on this. If we're going
Uyatangiye kubwira ati perezida w'u Burundi ejo azaba yagiye muri Kenya mu nama yo kurwanya sida. Ati izo nyeshyamba nibwo duciye ko zishobora kuzahita zitangiza umugambi wo kuba zatangiza iyo genocide. Nabo bagize ba nabi. Barimo witwa Ndeke n'uwitwa Ganzi. Cyase Ganzi.
up down the airports,
Iyi genocide ishobora kuba bitarenze iminsi 2.
take down 3 major military posts, turn the army with finish the job diatribes, and before you can say Rwanda Part 2, every Tutsi would be dead.
Ati ibintu nibitagenda neza buri mututsi wese mu minsi mike araza kuba amaze gupfa mu Burundi nyuma y'iminsi 2. Ati abatutsi bose baraza kuba bamaze gupfa mu Burundi. Ngo ni genocide ishobora kubakorerwa. Bimeze bite? Yeah.
So what can I do for you, Major?
Well, I've been up all night working on this Burundi.
Burundi ayo moko na yarahaba.
Working on the budget?
Twebwe hano nta yakihaba. Ari akera. Ubu bantu bose n'abanyarwanda no umuntu umwe.
Early warning signs that there might be another genocide in the works.
Sasa ingu yaje kubwira ingu yatashora ko ari indi genocide iri gutegurwa muri.
God forbid.
I think we need to put together a recommendation for a US response just in case.
Tugomba kwitegura nk'abanyamerika tukaba twaganira n'u Burundi cyangwa se tukagira igikorwa twakora cyihutirwa tugasubiza abatwandikiye badusaba ubufasha.
A Hutu rebel named Stephen Ndeke has set up
Umutu bita Stephen Ndeke cyase Ndekezi
to reposition a set
yateguye ingamba ahantu binyeshyamba ze.
called the Imagery Committee that has to sign.
Twakoresha satellite tubasha gukurura amashusho barashaka gutegura genocide bafite n'imipanga ngo myinshi amakamyo yuzuye imipanga. Katurore
Hi.
barihangana nimvuga ibyo bintu by'amoko none siko bari kubivuga twiye ko ntayo tukigira hari ubwo bibafashe orata byararangiye twe.
Jennifer?
Jennifer yari kwihamagarira.
Listen.
Wagira ngo nta kibazo bamubwiye kibaye bari kumubwira ko abantu bashobora kwicana we ari kwihamagarira. Ngaya Jennifer we biteze Jenny n'udukobwa ubwarimo mu maninja. Barakwereka yarahamagaye. Bimeze bite? Bita bizakurino satellite irakurura i Burundi barakurura. Turi Burundi. Nkamba bari gutegura iyo genocide. Dore imipanga no hari depo y'imipanga. Bimeze bite? Umusore atagiye gukura n'izi Burundi. Byifashe bite? Hey. Uyakura y'amafoto. Arabibona byose. Hey, dore imipanga arayibona. Babimubwiraga kumva ni imikino.
What did you do with my tickets to the game?
Imatike yanjye abere yo kujya kureba match ari he.
So what did I do with them?
Oh, Colonel.
Imatike nayaguhaye.
Retrace your steps.
I came in.
Ni Colonel.
Bad mood because of that ass chewing Al Ghazi gave us. Oh, and
Ari Gazina waturi bubi.
Burn bag.
Ari Gazina general ibuke raporo nyinshi ariko basaba. Zerekeranye na bije.
Every document inside that bag is incinerated the minute.
Umva wibuke ko ibintu byose nimba biwacu tukabishyira muri bya bikarito ubwo bagiye kubitwika. Hari bikarito bari gutwika by'amadosiye atagikenewe. Muzemenya kitwikiye amadosiye.
Major, the only third world cuisine you better have on your plate is Pakistani couscous.
Colonel, I hate.
Umva ikibazo tukwiye kwitoni cya Pakistani ibyo kuvuga ngo i Burundi tube tubiretse.
Meantime, I spoke with CENTCOM Commander Nolan. He's all geared up to send in some SEAL reinforcements. And I got the MC-130 numbers for Al Ghazi.
Do you want a medal, soldier?
No, sir.
Ati nkurikije amakuru dufite byaba byiza twereje nk'abasirikare bacu bakajya kuba bafasha abasirikare Burundi gukumira genocide.
Somalia was a quagmire, sir. This is different.
All I know is
Ati nitujya gutabara Burundi biramera nk'ibyabaye muri Somalia. Somalia abanyamerika bagiye kubatabara abari bagiye gutabara bose barabateranira bica umunyamerika mbere bisubirira mu kwicana kwabo. Sasa muzakavuga ati bira byabaye Somalia ntago byabi Burundi.
Okay, show me what you got.
Okay, munyereke icyo mufite.
Get these, Major.
Some suit named Aaron Garrett.
Batangiye kumwereka hakunino.
I hope they're worth selling your soul to the devil, kid, because that's what you just did.
He's compound. That's the radio tower. Supply.
Iriya ni minara ya radio bari buze gukoresha muri propaganda bakwirakwiza
Here are 142
genocide. arana amatente arimo imipanga.
This car salesman for all we know.
And what do you think is in those crates, sir?
Urabona nta modoka agera hafi mu 142 yuzuye imipanga.
Last but not least, General Ndiki in the flesh.
Uriya yitwa Ndekezi cyangwa se Ndeke.
And right next to him is even more fanatical Chief Lieutenant Umbe Gonzalez.
Nanone ari kumwe na Chief Lieutenant wundi mugenzi we bari gukorana witwa Ganza.
Now these two,
Umbe Ganza.
Ndiki and Gonzalez.
Ndetse ngo abagabo bakaba basanzwe bahigwa na UN kubera ibyaha bakoreye mu Rwanda bakoze iyo genocide n'ubundi na mbere.
Both have men that are very loyal to them.
Sure, join.
Muri 94 abagabo babiri bari gukorana bari abanzi none bashyize hamwe barongera barafatanya bamaze guhunga u Rwanda. Ngo bahunze u Rwanda bajya muri Kongo bava Kongo bajya i Burundi. Nabo bashaka kongera gutegura indi genocide.
It's guerrilla warfare at its finest. Surround them, establish choke points.
But unlike Nazi Germany,
Abagabo tubazenguruke aho ngaho bari gutegura ibyo bintu byose tubarasira aho ngaho. Kibazo ntabwo ari ugupfa kurasa.
surveillance team here.
Hano turashyira surveillance team ikipe igomba gucunga yaje kubibwira ya kipe yose yo muri E-Link.
Now this show of force will
Bari bukuru bakumira iyo genocide itaraba.
prevent bloodshed altogether.
Major, how long will this deterrent force remain in theater? A week?
Ibyo bintu byatwara igihe kingana iki nk'icyumweru.
My job is to protect the interests of the U.S.
Inshingano zanjye ni ukurinda inyungu za Amerika. Aho ngaho dufitemo iyihe nyungu rero mu kuba twajya kwita ku Barundi? Dufitemo iyihe nyungu?
Are zero in Burundi.
Nta nyungu n'imwe irimo.
Interest in preventing failed states. Now, Africa is a prime breeding ground for the next wave of terrorism.
Ati Afurika mushobora kumva ko mushobora kwanga kuyitabara none ariko muri kubona ko ari ishobora kuzavamo ibindi byebe byinshi cyane cyane muramuka muyitereranye gutya bizaza guhemukira Amerika.
Evidence here of a genocide is flimsy at best, Major. You have General Ndiki, a parking lot of cars, and a radio tower. Genocide is the deliberate and systematic execution.
I know the definition, Miss Liston. We're trying to prevent it because once it starts,
Ati ubusobanuro bwa genocide ndabuzi nibyo ndi kugerageza kubasobanurira hano.
Troops to fight the terrorists that exist today. Where the hell are we going to get 2,000 troops to send to Burundi? From Iraq? Afghanistan?
None se ubundi turakura abasirikare bagomba kujya gukumira ibyo bintu. Turazana bari muri Iraq, turazana bari muri Afghanistan.
I mean, it can't always be about U.S. interests, can it?
Ntibashaka gutabara Afurika.
Garrity, you want to weigh in on this?
We bino wabivugaho iki? Ntibashaka kubyumva.
Major, no one in Burundi is going to blow up a bus in London or fly a plane into the Pentagon. I know that sounds cold, but maybe when you've been in the building a little longer, you'll understand the need to establish priorities.
Musore baramukatiye ntawe ubyitayeho. Ati ntabwo uzigera ubona abo Barundi baje guturitsa bisi mu Bwongereza bambaye ibisasu, ntuzabona baje guturitsa inzu zo muri Amerika, mbega nta byebe bibarimo. Mu bihorerero birwariza. Abagabo ntabwo batwitayeho.
Hey, I did you a favor by moving those satellites. Your mission didn't fly.
Genda gwa uburenganzira kugira ngo umukoreshe satellite muri biri kwabera. Misiyo yawe nimba banze kikomeza ntungendeho. Umva.
A word of advice.
Sangugira inama.
If I were new in the building,
Bayindi weho muri Pentagon.
my tone when I was talking to somebody 7 pay grades above.
Nakaje ncunga amagambo mbwira abantu bandusha guhembwa. Uzi ko membwa hejuru yawe incuro nyinshi ukaza umbwira ubusa. Umugabo yamwihenuyeho shawo. Isori byose ari kubikora kugira ngo arebe ko genocide yahagarara. Bimeze bite? Nakwereka ya modoka ya Jean. Aba babibonye kare kwasho abantu bo babaga no mu Rwanda babonye ibyahabaye. Barashaka ngo guhunga. Mugende. Bano bagabo bazi aho bataye imipanga yabo. Bagarutse hano. Bimeze bite? Katurori bano bari gucana. Bimeze bite? Bimeze imbere?
What's this?
Ibi ni iki?
Paul Spruce, sir. Hazelnut.
Thought you didn't get coffee.
I made an exception, sir. Don't get used to it. I appreciate you trying, Major.
Ndagushimira.
Somebody else did.
Byibura yagerageje kubumvisha nubwo byanze.
What is it, sir?
Niba ikinyakuba.
It's just, it's one thing for Al-Ghazi and Liston to cut me away, but
The colonel didn't take up.
Ibyo byose biri guterwa na raporo twasabye na Aligazi. Bo bahugijwe nyine no gukora raporo yiriya bije. Yabo ntago biteye nyine kubikubira Burundi.
You don't take up for yourself on this, the colonel will never respect you.
well, it's not like I can.
Umva koroneri yakubwiye guhakaniye rimwe ukahita ubyemera ntago abazigira kuba hagenda umutesha umutwe. Nicyo umukobwa ari gushaka kumubwira. Nimbanze kukubekiza gukurikirana ikirego cy'i Burundi, genda umusteresi. Umusteresi.
Close, huh?
Major.
Major.
Other than my father, I've never met a man that I respect more than Eli McNulty. The colonel is like a blow pop.
Ati Colonel ni umugabo nubaha cyane yambereye nka papa.
He did 5 years in Vietnam, but I can't even get him to talk about him. We're like family. But hey, I understand why some people are a little afraid of him.
Listen, Cully, I'm due to sign up. I'll call you back in 5, Cully.
Ndaguhamagara mu kanya. Rebe.
Sir?
Yashan.
That op didn't stand a chance, didn't you?
Birasa nkaho nta mahirwe muri kuma ngo nkore imisiyo.
Al-Ghazi's budget priorities, I suppose that I...
Ari-Ghazi ibyo yagusabye nibyo ugomba gushyira imbere ibindi ibyo ari byose.
Just that, but apparently you needed to learn the hard way. Now, I don't know what you thought you were signing up for here, son.
Wa musore wagira ngo ntabwo akazi wasabye hano cyangwa akazi wasinyiye hano.
Able, sir. A chance to make a difference on the little things like a genocide in Africa.
Jewe akazi nasinyiye hano ni ukureba ko nakumira ibyaha ku isi cyane cyane no ikiri hejuru gukumira icyaha genocide. Cyase guhagarika ubugizi bwa nabi tugahindura isi.
Good luck finding those tickets.
Don't even think about going out that door, soldier. This building is not an office, it's a battlefield.
Wa musore bino birubona ntago bimeze nk'ari ibiro bisanzwe ahubwo ni mu rugamba ni kuri battlefield ni hahandi nyine urugamba rubera ntago ari ukuvuga ngo ni ibiro bisanzwe naho ubu durebye ni nk'urugamba.
Wave a tiny white hanky and surrender.
Nabyo kuvuga ngo turi kugenda ngo twirukanka ngo kuri ibyo bintu ngo byamoko ari kurwana amanitse amadarapo ibyo ntago tubishaka. Aho bavuga ngo n'ubwoko ngo bumanitse amadarapo ngo biraho byoroshye abagabo bari kumarana.
What machete, son?
Ira mipanga mumbaza ni iyi barwaza imipanga avuga ati mipanga ni iyi umugabo yarakubiswe.
Take this fool to Papa.
Umugabo baramupakira hari ikarito y'imipanga yabuze kandi yari yabariwe yateguriwe akunino tugare kuri CIA ku cyicaro.
What the hell are you doing here?
I need in Burundi situation.
Ndashaka nka CIA mumfasha tukamenya situation iri Burundi meziti.
Look, for the last hour I've been trying to get clear. Some desk jockey keeps telling me to come back.
Amasama cyashize nagerageje kumvisha abantu bose bakambwira ngo ni ntuze. Kagahora ariko.
Now I need your help, Angie.
Ni bufasha bwawe Angie.
I'd like to, JT. This is the CIA. You get your hands on unauthorized intel and spooks.
Umva iyi ni CIA ntago umuntu aba yemerewe kuba yabona amakuru atemerewe kugira buri umwe afite amakuru agomba kubonaho kopi. Hari byo mwandikiye hano.
Any questions? This is the number for the CIA liaison.
Amakuru wayakura kuri ibyo nkwandikiyeho nibwo buryo wabonamo amakuru. Sawa. Uyacaho. Kumbe mwandikiye yitwa Johnson Park. Nushobora kuba yamuha ku makuru ibiri kubera i Burundi.
Captain Shay.
Uyu nawe yaje yakunino. Yaje gutanga gitarebe ko babaha ku makuru bakamenya ibiri kubera i Burundi bimeze bite.
For not apologizing.
Mbabarire kayini nk'akantu nkuzane kuba ntaragusabye imbere imbabazi kubyabaye imbere.
Tickets to the game.
Well, actually, I'm not here about the tickets.
You want me to put a bet down?
I've already got you down for a C note. You want to make it 200? I'm here about a mission, Jack.
Yeah, muze yaje ambwira ko aricaye kubaganire ku bya misiyo igomba kubera i Burundi yari hano. Ihangane.
It's my favorite. Thanks.
Aga kantu hanze ni ndagakunda. Kumbe harimo amakuru amuzaniye.
We've been monitoring Radio Burundi broadcasts for the last 3 hours. You're right.
Iyo ni kasete nguhaye y'ababagabo mwambwiye bari gutegura genocide. Ibiganiro bari kunyuza ku maradiyo biteye ubwoba. Ibiganiro propaganda yatangiye guca ku maradiyo yikwirakwizwa no gutegura genocide mu Burundi. Gatururi. Uyo mwaye ibiganiro.
He's here.
Great, send him.
Uyari hano ya Jean.
Major, did you check your messages? I finished your Pakistan proposal.
You know, I've been
Proposal twagusabye muri Pakistan wayirangije.
you to stand in front of Al-Ghazi and talk about the legal definition of genocide when thousands.
Umva ibi akazi kari gazinaga kure ariko tukanakimura n'ikibazo cya genocide kigiye kubera i Burundi.
My professional one.
Look, can I get your professional opinion on this?
Nimba ucumva ko nari umunyamwuga banza wumva ino sedo.
The farmers will cut down the rest of the blighted crops. And you will know the time has come.
Bumvisha amakuru y'ibiguca kuri radio.
The moon is full. And the harvest is ready.
Now, this just started a few hours ago. It's cold.
Ibi ni ibyanyuze amasaha make ashize.
Killing is going.
Umugabo ari kuvuga ngo tugomba gufata imipanga yacu ngo tugatema ngo ibyo biti na amagambo menshi. Igihe cy'umusaruro cyo gusarura nikigera ngo ndi ubabwire. Wakira niteguye tujye gutema ibyo biti. Ibaza ariko. Ngo nibiri guca ku maradiyo y'u Burundi.
What am I looking at from a legal standpoint?
What's your probable cause?
We know that a man wanted for international war crimes is there.
It's a Band-Aid solution, Major.
Better than an open wound.
And Ndiki, what if you miss him?
Not a problem.
None so ndeke nitumubura. Bari kwiga ku kintu bakora kitabangamira amategeko mpuzamahanga. Bambuza nyana. Kuramenye. Uyu ni watanze uhamagaye no muri Amerika bamenyesha ikibazo kiri kuba. Yamagaye ambasade y'u Burundi.
I gotta hand it to you, kid. It's a great plan.
Think we can sell it to Al-Ghazi?
Bano ba Jean. Arigazi wabaye mukerereje hose ni generali. Afite amaraporo menshi ari kubasaba. Biri gutuma batabasha kwisanzura ngo bakore gahunda zabo.
He's got an op he'd like to run by you.
It just so happens I've recently come in possession of a box of Cubans. Why don't we go outside and discuss it over a smoke?
Kuki tutajya hanze kino kibazo tukakiganira tunywa n'itabi baje hano.
250,000 machetes.
Imipanga isaga 250 iri aho hantu.
You have.
Ugomba gukora akazi.
Sad photos like these, we should have no trouble pinpointing the target.
What about Eisner's inside? How are these machetes stored? They stacked, they spread out, loose, in boxes?
And without boots on the ground, how do you deliver the thermite?
Colonel, it's all about air power.
Iyo mipanga ikintu nshaka ndashaka tubanza tukarasiyo stock iyo mipanga itarakwirakwizwa hirya no hino mu gihugu muhungu nicyo ashaka. Ndetse nabo bagizi bana bitukabica. Batarajya kure ngo bajye gukomeza gukwirakwiza ibyo bintu.
Yeah. Okay, so you get rid of all these machetes. Your general can just get more where those came from.
Shouldn't be a problem, sir.
Pretty damn sure of yourself for less than a month in the building.
Major's got a great plan, Frank. How about you let him finish before you make up your mind?
Son, when you make the Air Force think that...
Bano bagarutse hakunino. Icyemezo ntabwo kiri kwita gifatwa.
Just...
Hakunino. Uya Jean. Major.
Whatever it is, I'm afraid I don't have time for it right now.
You're waiting for the chairman of the House Intelligence Committee. Something tells me he's not going to make it.
Amakuru mfite n'ubushakashatsi twakoze ntabwo urubuze kurokoka kuri iyi nshuro. Bino andi bakomeje guhakana ngo nibaze kujya gutabara Burundi.
What's on your mind?
My reading. You know how the building works. How it's about. I thought this was very interesting.
Do you know who you're screwing with, Major?
Hope you're going to help me bury this Burundi boondoggle. Waste of resources. Those people are going to go on killing each other.
Umvisha ukuntu babatekereza bino bintu byibura bibafashe guhindura imyumvire. Abanyamerika baricaraga bati abo birabura n'ubundi murabatabara ngo bashaka kwicana uyu munsi muri batabara uyu munsi ejo bazongera bicane n'ejo bongere bicane nyamara mushatse mwakumviraho mbega babona nta bwenge dufite mwaretse tukabereka ko buhari.
She's not stupid. Then how'd you get it?
Kandi wabona bino bintu hari abantu bakibifite mu mutwe koko we.
By'amafuti. What the hell provoked you to put something like this down on paper?
Ni gute wanga Burundi cyane bigira naho byandika ku gipapuro ngo bakongera bakicana ntaga mpamvu yo kwirirwa tubatabara.
Information Act and no one is going to fire me for expressing an opinion.
Urimeze nk'uri kuntera ubwoba ariko. Oya.
It's that congressional run I'd be concerned about.
Aka gapapuro kagomba kuza kugezwa ku nzego zo hejuru bakamenya ko wanze ko dutabara Abarundi. Genocide kabigiye kwaba ari we wabiteye wandi kutuntu nk'utu. Hey.
Threatening.
Uri kunkanga.
Well, it's all just fun and games, Aaron, until somebody loses an eyeball. Try to remember that.
How long do you think you're going to last when Sam finds out?
Yes, urakiye kuzamara igihe kingana iki muri kano kazi ukomeza gutera abantu ubwoba. Bakurenze ku mapeti.
Sign off on this Burundi op and risk your political career. But that's just me.
Sinya hano tujye guhagarika iriya genocide Burundi bitise ndakurega. Hari imiryango myinshi bibishinzwe. Bivuga ati hari umuntu banze gutabara ahubwo aravuga ati abarundi mubareke bamaranuye. Yarasinye ngaho mujye guhagarika iyo genocide Burundi. Bamuha kaga papuro yari yanditse mwabaginga. Baze kuko nimba umuzungu yicara akavuga ati birabura murabatabarira iki ko nubundi ejo bakongera bakicana bagasubiranamo. Nawe uri kureba iyi filime ukaba ufite iyo myumvire mibi uvuga ati bundi ni iki. Urumva ukuntu baba kubona nk'injiji aho kugira uhangane n'ikibazo cy'inzara. Uyu nguyu yaracyari kuri radio. Bano barabanza bahindura frequency. Barashaka guhindura imirongo yose ya radio. Y'u Burundi bari gutangira amazimwe bashaka guteranya abarundi ngo bicane. Barabanza bohereza indege mu kirere. Bya yindi kontura amasinyari yose. Iminara yose y'u Burundi y'amaradiyo bayohereza hakurino. None bano batangaza ibyo bashaka.
Along with the machetes comes so much profit.
Imipanga yanyu yose mufite iraza kubazanira inyungu nyinshi mu ibyazo umusaruro.
Finishing the job. Bell, this is Watson. The signal is co-opted.
Roger that.
Sinyari yabo turayikubye over. Urabizi tukiri.
For the general's demise.
Sinking live feed in 3, 1.
Rimwe.
Fellow citizens of Burundi.
Abaturage b'i Burundi muraho. Sasa za radio bakoreshaga bakoreraho propaganda yo kubwira abaturage ati tugiye kuba mara ibiki n'ibiki bintu nyine by'amaradiyo murabizi namwe ibyabaye mwajyaga mubyumva. Bano bahise bahindura umurongo w'amaradiyo yose y'u Burundi bahita bawushyira hehe kuri radio iri kuvugira muri Amerika. Umunyamerika atangira kubasomera ku buryo abaturage bari Burundi bari bumvira n'amakuru aturutse muri Amerika. Abaturage b'i Burundi muraho.
We interrupt this broadcast for an important announcement. It is with tremendous pride that your government commends General Stephen Ndeke for his great patriotism.
Twagira ngo tubamenyeshe ko umujenerali bita Ondeke ari kugerageza kuba yatangiza genocide ariko nanone uwabitubwiye ni mugenzi we
to save our nation from a horrible
tragedy. Bari gupaka kujyana imipanga ngo bica abantu.
Over to the government a list of names.
Gusa harundi wa mugambane umaze kubibwira leta bakoranaga witwa Ganza dore ngo barasubiranamo. Ni abajenerali babiri bari gukorana ngo bategure genocide ari witwa Ganza na Ndeke. Sasa baravuze abanyamerika dore ngo barabateranya. Abanyamerika babiteguye ati generali Ndeke ari gutegura genocide ariko mugenzi we bakorana witwa Ganza we yamaze kugira gute guca inyuma ari gukorana na leta ndetse leta iri kugerageza kuba yakumira abo bantu bashaka gukora genocide dore ngo barabateranya hagati yabo.
Are led by the general's chief lieutenant Umbe Ganza.
Lieutenant Umbe Ganza niyo doye makuru. Sasa wa mujinga we wagambaniye ngo genocide abasirikare bayikumire abanyamerika bateranije bari bagiye gukora genocide hagati yabo basubiranemo. Umunyamerika biteguye do zari mande ebyiri n'abajenerali babiri ubwo n'abasirikare bari babiri batandukanye. Dore intambara ngiratangira basubiranamo barabateranije hagati yabo. Umunyamerika niko yabiteguye basubiranye wa mujinga we tugambanire tugiye kwikorera genocide uduteze leta barabaganye. Bahita bohereza n'indege igomba kurasa aho hari abo bacengezi nimba ariko twabita bashaka gukora iyo genocide n'abagizi ba nabi. Bohereza hano igisasu ahantu hose ari imipanga na biriya byiye bagizi ba nabi bari bohereje igisasu misiri kuri yakamyo yuzuye imipanga na ya stoke y'imipanga yose baratwikana n'abarara bariyo bose barabaturikije. Ureba se genocide turayikumiriye. Ubu rero baragira ngo tubashimire bano baginga b'abazungu bahagarikira genocide mu mafilime ariko iri kuba ku butaka ahantu byanyabyo mu buzima busanzwe ntitujya tubabona ariko dore muri filime babigize intwari ngo bahagarika ama genocide. Abaginga baratwika ibyo byarabaye. Bano bavayo Imana yasigaye iminota mike ngo match itangire turagira muri stade.
I hate crowds. I don't even like people.
Urabizi kanje kwirebera match muzagiye kuri gisi mani mwicare twirebere match sha Amavubi yakinnye sha zana urwunge sha tumwe turebe match tumwe urwunge. Bamwe barebye filime bamwe urwunge utari kunywa urwunge ari kwinywera mburwa ye muze hasukayo kamburwa buriya sha ni umuti. Urwa buriya ni fresh cyane. Akazi bari bagakoze ndetse genocide bayihagaritse. Uyu nawe wari watanze amakuru yabashe kuba yatabara. Niwe watangiye amakuru ku gihe utuma genocide bayikumira rigiye ku Burundi. Uzarabwanuka hive do arabwanuka muzimbega umusa uyu nawe arabwanuka asinge njye ahantu abantu bari gufana match. Episode yacu no kigenze ndetse Imana ibaha umugisha ibarinde n'ibyo bintu by'amacakubiri. Ciao sibyo.
nta birahuri byiza bikomeye nta nzu mbona. Noneho reka nkumenera ibanga. Crevo General Trading Limited ije ari igisubizo ku bashaka amarangi meza ya original n'ibirahuri byiza kandi bikomeye. Abashoramari mu by'ubwubatsi, ibigo bitandukanye, bacuruzi baza kenkayori, abiyubakira amazu yabo bashaka kaba meza kandi akomeye, ni mugane Crevo General Trading Limited. Turanguza tukanacuruza ibirahuri by'amoko yose, turanguza tukanacuruza amarangi yose, ndetse tukanakuvangira ibara ryose wifuza dukoresheje imashini zabugenewe n'abatekinisiye kabuhariwe. Akarusho nuko uhaye iwacu muri Crevo General Trading Limited tumusangisha ibikoresho yaguze aho ariho hose ku buntu. Dukorera Kicukiro Centre imbere ya Glory. Duhamagare kuri 0788 600 946. Crevo General Trading Limited, twubaka igihugu gikeye kandi gikomeye.